Stop, stick around, come through and dig the sound of the fly brown 6060 cycle who throws the dick around.
Mr. Brightside is a song that I want to learn. It's just that the placement for the it's kind of awkward. And plus I'm not that good at picking the strings. Not yet, at least. But let's go ahead and look it up. I have to tune it a half step down. I don't know the intricacies of that, but I do know that someone told me in a YouTube comment, put a capo on the first fret and then tune it like you normally would. So, let's do that. Come on! There we go. Okay. Here we go. 1716 1916 017 19 016. That's way the fuck down here. The fuck? It's like fucking, it's fucking weird, man. Look at that shit. Fucking man. 1716 1916 017 19 016. So I have to lift up my index finger. Quick shout out, The Killers, they are more than Mr. Brightside. If you listen to that whole album that Mr. Brightside is on, Hot Fuss, there's no song to skip. I'll pull it up right now, actually. Jenny Was a Friend of Mine, the intro track, that song is so cool. It's like about a murder. Like the guy kills some girl named Jenny. And then the second track, Mr. Brightside. Don't know if you've heard that track before, but it's not bad. If I had to rank this, it'd be like, let me think. Mr. Brightside at first, Glamorous Indie Rock and Roll second, Midnight Show third, Smile Like You Mean It fourth, and fifth, Change Your Mind. I'm gonna give this album a strong 8 to a light 9. But anyways, what was I doing? Mr. Brightside. Okay, the easy version.
Right up here. The next thing you want to know to play.
Capo on the 4th fret.
Get this capo for free right up here. The next thing you want to know to play Mr. Brightside on guitar is the 4 chords we need to play this song. The first one is A. The next one is D. Picture of this song. We're going to start with a verse, then we're going to go to pre-chorus, and then chorus, then we're going to do verse, pre-chorus, and chorus once more. The whole song just repeats just like that. From there, guys, we're going to dive straight into that super...
Stop, stick around, come through and dig the sound of the fly brown 6060 cycle who throws the dick around, bound to go 3 plat. Can't destroy rap.
On the beat.
So that's too much for me right now.
iconic verse picking progression that we all know and love. So what we're going to do there is we're going to have one kind of shape that's going to stay. That way we just have to move one finger throughout the whole entire thing. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. This shape is going to feel a little funky and weird at first, and it's probably going to feel like awkward and your hand's going to cramp a little bit, but after you do it a couple of times, you'll be totally fine, and you'll see why we do it this way, because it makes it a lot easier to play this picking pattern. So what our first shape with that is going to be 11th on the D string and 11th on the high E string, and then we're going to do.
It's an intricate plot of a b-boy strap. Fem stat cats get kidnapped. Then release a statement to the press. Let the rest know who did that. Metal
My hair's gotten very long. Normally I have it to like maybe 3 inches, but this is like 5 inches. So I used to have my hair styled in like a side part sort of thing. So like it would go to this side, this direction. But recently my hair has gotten so long that I put product in it just to keep it out of the way of my face. And so I slick it back, and now it's created this like natural part right here. Wait, right here. And I kind of like it. I kind of like it, not gonna lie. Yeah. I'm kind of supposed to have short hair due to my job, but quarantine, which started for me in about April, March, it shut down all the businesses. Some of the barber that I go to was closed for 3-4 months. And so the top of my hair grew out and my sides grew out. They're shaved now because my barber is open now. But man, my sides are like at least 1.5 inches. I kind of felt like Jaime Lannister off of Game of Thrones season 1.
Claim responsibility. Broken household name usually said in hostility. What is MF? You silly?